You know you need sleep, you want to sleep, but your brain decides 2 a.m. is the perfect time to replay every awkward thing you said in 2017. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Fixing your sleep isn't about willpower. It's not about forcing yourself to close your eyes earlier. It's about understanding one simple pattern: light. Your body has a built-in clock. It's called your circadian rhythm, and it's run almost entirely by one thing: when light hits your eyes. Morning light tells your brain, wake up. Evening darkness tells your brain, time to wind down. That's it. But most of us do the opposite. We wake up, stay inside under artificial light, then spend hours staring at a bright phone screen right before bed. Blue light from screens mimics morning sunlight, so your brain thinks it's still daytime at 11 p.m. Then you wonder why you can't fall asleep. The fix is ridiculously simple. Get bright light in your eyes within the first hour of waking. Go outside, even for 5 minutes. Rain counts, just open the door and look up. Then do the reverse at night. 2 hours before bed, dim your lights. Put your phone in another room. Use warm, low light if you need it. That's the signal. Darkness means sleep is coming. But there's a second piece people miss: temperature. Your body needs to drop its core temperature by about 2 degrees to fall asleep and stay asleep. You've felt this. When your room is too hot, you toss and turn. When it's cool, you crash. So set your thermostat to 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Take a warm shower an hour before bed. Your body heats up from the shower, then releases that heat fast. That temperature drop triggers deep sleep. Works every time. Third piece, consistency. You've heard this before, but here's why it actually matters. Your circadian rhythm craves predictability. When you go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, your brain starts releasing sleep hormones automatically at the right moment. You stop fighting yourself, weekends included. Yeah, I know, sleeping in feels good, but that 2-hour shift on Saturday is called social jet lag. It messes you up for days. One consistent wake time beats any sleep hack. Now let me give you the 1-minute routine that locks all of this in. As soon as you wake up, open your curtains or step outside. 5 seconds of light exposure. During the day, stop caffeine after 2 p.m. Caffeine has a 6-hour half-life. That afternoon coffee is still in your system at midnight. Then build your wind down ritual. Same 20 minutes every night. Brush your teeth, dim the lights, read a physical book, not a screen. That repetition becomes a trigger. Your brain learns, this sequence equals sleep. Here's the thing most people get wrong. They try to fix everything at once. They buy a new mattress, download 3 apps, and start meditating. Then they fail on night 2 and give up. Don't do that. Pick one thing, just one. Morning light exposure, or no phone in bed, or temperature drop. Do that for 1 week. Then add the next. Sleep isn't a problem you solve overnight. It's a rhythm you rebuild, one small choice at a time. And the good news, your body wants to sleep. It's not broken. You've just been giving it the wrong signals. So tonight, put your phone in the kitchen. Set your thermostat to 67. Get morning light tomorrow. Do that for 3 days and watch what happens. Because when you sleep well, everything gets easier. Your focus sharpens. Your mood lifts. You stop needing 3 coffees just to feel human. That's not a luxury. That's how you're supposed to feel. You didn't need another gadget.